Dive inside the Huawei Pura X, a fascinating disassembly video. In March, Huawei took the tech world by storm with the launch of the Pura X, a device that redefines what we expect from smartphones. Following the groundbreaking Mate XT, the Pura X is a flip-style foldable phone that boasts a unique 16:10 aspect ratio screen when unfolded, giving it a striking resemblance to a small tablet. This innovative design sets it apart from anything else currently available on the market. And it's refreshing to see a company like Huawei pushing the boundaries of smartphone design instead of churning out the same old devices. However, it's important to note that the Pura X might not be everyone's cup of tea. Being a Huawei device means it lacks Google services, which can be a deal breaker for many users. Additionally, its unconventional form factor may not appeal to everyone, and the performance of Huawei's chipsets has been a point of contention. Despite these drawbacks, the Pura X remains an intriguing option for those who crave something different. If you've ever been curious about what makes the Pura X tick, you're in luck. A captivating disassembly video has surfaced, giving you a behind-the-scenes look at the inner workings of this innovative device. While the video is in Chinese, don't worry. Turn on the auto-translated closed captions, and you'll be able to follow along with ease. One interesting tidbit revealed in the video is that the system-on-chip, SoC, is packaged in a manner reminiscent of Apple's designs, and the company responsible for the middle frame is actually a supplier for Apple as well. If you want to dive deeper into the features and performance of the Pura X, be sure to check out our extensive hands-on review, where we explore everything this unique device has to offer. Don't miss out on this chance to discover the future of smartphones.